Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to be here with a new video for you guys today. Now I have some pretty exciting news that I know all of you will want to hear, so make sure that you keep watching. So to help me celebrate reaching 10,000 subscribers, I have this very amazing giveaway for you guys, and it is in cooperation with my favorite brand right now, and that is Cantu. So I'm sure it's no surprise that Cantu is like my favorite brand. I've been using them since the beginning of my channel. I rave about them all the time. I review them, I use them in my tutorials. So I'm sure you guys are not surprised that I'm going to be doing a giveaway with Cantu. It's one of those brands that is not only a go-to brand for me, but it's one that I trust with my hair and my daughters. It's one I can find very easily here where I live. I can order the stuff online from like Boots, Superdrug, or I can go into those stores as well and I can find what I want. They work well on my girls' hair. There's a product for everything that I need, whether it is more hair care or if it is for styling. I love to travel with them, you know, I just love the products. And since me and my girls have slightly different hair textures, it's great to find a brand that is reasonably priced that still works in all of our hair, so I don't need to go off and buy like loads of products, and you know how expensive these hair products are in this day and age. So I have some here that I'm going to be gifting to not one but two of you. So yeah, let me tell you all about it. So these are the products, guys. I have them here still wrapped up all nicely. I didn't open them. But I will in a bit just to show you what they are. We have 5 products that we're going to be gifting to 2 of you. So each of you will receive these 5 products that I have here to show you. And the first one we have is this leave-in conditioning repair cream. I just love this, especially after I've just washed the hair. I apply it straight away. And I just love it. Even like if their hair starts to get dry throughout the week, I can always like retwist it, whatever, just using this, and it works amazingly well on all of our textures, because our textures are slightly different, but you would never tell because it works amazingly. The next one up is this Curl Activator cream. This again is very moisturizing. It leaves the hair feeling amazing and you get some great definition, especially if you pair this up with like their styling Custard or like the twist and lock gel. I love how this works. I love to use this in my daughter Camilla's hair. It works amazingly well to do like a wash and go on her hair texture. And yeah, it's said to activate your curls, delivers volume and shine, and it makes your curls look very bouncy with no frizz. Yep, and I just love this one as well. Next up is this one that I just spoke about, and it is their Define and Shine Custard, and this just works magic. This is perfect like if you want to do flat twists on your hair, if you want a very sleek style, if you want to do like a wash and go, if you want to do twists. I mean, it's an all-rounder and I just love it leaves the hair looking so shiny. And as I said, this is great to pair with the Curl Activating Cream. You know, very sparingly, you can put it on in small sections in the hair, work it in, and it looks amazing at the end of it. Next up is like my favorite product to do like twists with, and it has to be the curling cream, their coconut curling cream. I mean, this just works the magic. And I also like to pair this as well. There's 2 other products from them. If you've seen them before, I had a video where I did like some twists on my girl's hair. This was one of the products that I mixed with 2 other products from Cantu. And these twists, I mean, they can last like up to 2 weeks without no frizzing, anything like that. I just love it. And then if you open up these twists, you get the most amazing twist out, like twist out heaven. Yeah, so I love this for that. You can also use it for wash and go. So again, another little all-rounder that you can do a few styles using this, and you know, it gets your hair very moisturized, very shiny. Yeah, love this one. And the last bad boy in this giveaway bundle is their Deep Treatment Mask. Summer's coming in, your hair might be getting a little dry out from the sun. You might be going on holiday, swimming in some pools, swimming in the ocean, you know, getting your relaxation on. So you need something, you know, to treat the hair along the way. This is perfect for that. You can chuck it into your luggage. I mean, if your kids are going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities at the end of it and you want to give their hair a good wash, again, you can grab this. It works amazingly. You would have seen me using this as well on my channel. So guys, those are the products that 2 of you lucky people are going to be winning in this giveaway. Now to enter, it's going to be very simple and I will share those details with you now. So to enter for a chance to win, all you have to do is 1, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. 2, make sure that you comment down below and say enter me Cantu giveaway. 3, make sure that you are also following me on my Instagram. I will leave it right here. And lastly, let me know where in the world you are from. And that is all. So once again, all you have to do is 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. 2, comment down below and say enter me Cantu giveaway. 3, make sure you're following on my Instagram, which I have here for you. And 4, make sure that you also comment and let me know where in this beautiful world you are from. So all you need to say is, for instance, I live in New York. I live in St. Vincent. I live in Barbados. And that's pretty much it. And if you want to as well, you can let me know which product from Cantu is your favorite. Have you ever tried them before? What style you like to use them in your hair? So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much again for helping me to reach 10,000 subscribers. I am so happy. I also want to thank the PR team for Cantu Beauty here in the UK for gifting me with these products to give to 2 of you lovely people. And don't forget to enter. Entries close on the 30th of June and I will announce the winner on July 1st. So you have a couple of days to get your entries in and I will announce the winners. 2 of you will be contacted right away on July 1st to let you know you have won these goodies and I'll send them right over to you. But until my next video, see you again and stay blessed. Bye.